हमारा यहाँ का साहू जी पाया खा के देखिए, आप दीवाने हो जाओगे उसके।
Saudi cuisine was never meant to be restaurant food. It was always home-style food made popular by small families in Vidarbha who started serving it. When you go to a Saudi restaurant in Nagpur, they often ask you, medium spicy or Nagpur spicy? If you say Nagpur spicy, beware. Saudi food's spicy reputation came because of the weather in the Vidarbha and the Nagpur area, which is hot, so the food needed to be preserved, and spice does that. Welcome to Venky's Presents Khana number 1, and in this episode, I want to bust a myth. अब बहुत सारे लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि बेस्ट महाराष्ट्रन खाना कहाँ मिलेगा, और मैं हमेशा लोगों को कहता हूँ कि महाराष्ट्रन खाना जैसी चीज है ही नहीं, क्योंकि महाराष्ट्र इतना बड़ा राज्य है एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र हैज इट्स ओन क्विजीन. Kolhapuri cuisine different from Nagpuri cuisine, different from Malwani cuisine, different from Vidarbha cuisine, different from Khandeshi cuisine. तो आज के एपिसोड में महाराष्ट्र की एक बहुत ही पॉपुलर क्विजीन को हम खाने जा रहे हैं यहाँ मुंबई में. तो अगर आपने मुझे पूछा कि मुंबई में महाराष्ट्र खाना कहाँ मिलता है, तो मैं बोलूँगा कि साउजी ट्राई करते हैं जुहू में. तो हम पहुँचे हैं जुहू मुंबई, जहाँ है ऑरेंज सिटी साउजी. ऑरेंज क्योंकि नागपुर इज फेमस फॉर साउजी फूड एंड फॉर ऑरेंजेस. तो चलो लेट्स चेक आउट खाना नंबर 1 है या नहीं.
हमारा नागपुर का जो साहू जी फूड है वो तो बहुत फेमस है, मतलब जो जो लोगों ने वहाँ पे नागपुर में जाके खाया है उनको तो पसंद आया. बट यहाँ पे काफ़ी विदर्भ और नागपुर के लोग हैं. जैसे हम भी मुंबई कुछ काम से आते थे, 10 दिन 15 दिन यहाँ रहते थे, तो हमें वो खाना नहीं मिलता था. तो होटल इंडस्ट्रीज और साहू जी होने की वजह से हमने यहाँ पे वो स्टार्ट किया.
So when I was last in Nagpur, I ate at a lot of Saudi places, and what I realized is that the taste differs from one restaurant to another. It's because the family recipes of the spices also differ. Predominantly, when you look at all this food, you will realize that it is all dark masala, kala masalas, okay? And this does not come from the spices, but it comes from the roasting of the masalas. The coconut, the onion, when it's roasted intensively, you get this dark spice. We've got a lot of food in front of us. Largely, it is non-vegetarian because mutton, chicken is the sort of staple of the Saudi cuisine. Also, before I start eating, if I may just say that the Saudi cuisine isn't really this is not really a community. It was a community of weavers who suddenly discovered that their weaving practice was not doing too well, and they started cooking home food and selling it. And that is how this Saudi cuisine in the Vidarbha region expanded and then exploded. I think I should talk less and eat more, and I'm going to tell you what is in front of me. Let me start from here. This is one of the very few vegetarian things, very, very famous patoli, it's called.
पाटोड़ी इतनी फेमस है हमारी कि लोग दूर दूर से खाने आते हैं, जो वेज में बनता है. पाटोड़ी करी सर एक बेसन का कॉम्बिनेशन बना के उसके क्यूब बनाते हैं और साउजी रसे में उसको टॉस करके देते हैं.
And I'm going to start with the patoli. So it's a little pancake made out of besan, which is first spiced, set, steamed, cut into pieces and fried. Oh, this is really nice. It's got a little spicy, tangy, sweet flavor with the crunch of onions inside, curry leaves, golden outside. It's beautiful. And as I was mentioning, this is the cuisine of preservation because of the heat and the aridness of the place. They also make a sabzi out of the same thing. So, if you look onto my right here, I mean, I wouldn't call it a sabzi, I'll call it a masala. So here it is, that intense black spice with the patori. And I'm going to try this with the chapati because the bhakri that I have, I am keeping it for the mutton. See that same lovely little dumpling, if I may call it that, already fully flavored in now this black masala. Oh, they're beautiful. There is some magic in all this roasting of spices. Since we are on the vegetarian side of things, and again you realize this is so that when there is no fresh vegetables around and available, you can do this. This is sev and tomato ki sabzi, made out of sev and tomato. सेव है और टमाटर भी है. पहले मैं बोल रहा हूं आपको, सेव भी थोड़ी तीखी होने की गुंजाइश है. और क्यों नहीं, ये क्विजीन ही जो है रोबस्ट, फ्लेवरफुल, मसालेदार क्विजीन है. The idea of using sev in cooking is popular in a lot of parts of Maharashtra. Even the misal that we make, whether it's in Kolhapur or whether it's in Pune, is eventually sev with a bit of flavoring and spice in it. This is not exactly this. This you can actually eat with the chapati, like it's a sabzi.
साउजी फूड सर स्पाइसी नहीं होता है. साउजी फूड में एक फ्लेवर होता है, जो साउजी मसाले हैं उनका एक फ्लेवर होता है. और ये स्पाइसीनेस जो है वो आपको हार्म नहीं करेगा. इसमें 32 पूरे इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो है, जो हर्ब्स है, जो आयुर्वेद में यूज होते हैं, उस टाइप के मसाले ये रहते हैं. तो ये स्पाइसी नहीं रहता है, ये इंजॉय करते हैं सब.
Come together with Venky's.
Now that I have tried the two wonderful vegetarian dishes on my table, I'm going to move towards this. So if you ask me what makes these gravies thick and rich, of course there's the spices and the coconut and all that. But there's something called Sauthara which they use over here in Orange City, Saudi. It's rice and wheat which has been roasted, dried, soaked, dried again, and then finely pounded to form the body of this masala.
साउजी मसाला मीन्स वो साउजी लोगों के घर पे ये मसाला बनता है. जो काला मसाला जो बनता है वो सभी के घर पे, मतलब लाइक आपको रेडीमेड भी मिलेगा. काफ़ी ऐसे ब्रांड्स है जो काला मसाला, गरम मसाला बेचते हैं. बट साउजी मसाला ये हमारे घर से बन के आता है.
Let's discover the body of this masala. I'm going to start with the egg. There's something about eggs that I really like. Something about boiled eggs that drives me bananas. And don't forget, our sponsor is also NECC. And I have to tell everybody back home that eggs, whatever you may say or whatever you may believe, are the finest source of nutrition and are pure vegetarian. You can fight me on this. They are more vegetarian than milk is. On that note, I'm going to start eating this. Anda curry Saudi style with a boiled egg. And with anda, a little bit of keema kaleji will also taste good. I think there's keema kaleji, little vajri also inside. Keema, kaleji, anda, all together. Life is about spices. No country in the world can do spices like we do. And I am proudly saying that very few states in the country can do spices like Maharashtra does. And very few parts of Maharashtra can do masalas the way Saujis do it. Remember what I'm saying.
एक्चुअली सर कैसा था कि साउजी मसाला ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर ही होता है. अब ये कैसा, हमारे घर में हमारी माँ का एक रेसिपी है जो वो उनके तरीके से बनाती है. देन मेन पार्ट आता है कुकिंग का, कि हम उसको किस तरीके से कुक करते हैं, किस तरीके से उसको प्रेजेंट करते हैं.
Since we've got anda, kaleji, bheja. This is the other thing about Saudi food. Not only will you find high quality mutton and chicken in it, it's also very, very partial to offal or spare parts. Soft, creamy, and although all the masalas look the same because they're all dark, each one's got its own character or flavor coming through. Now for some chop. Let me tell you this. These are all the starters, huh? This is the main course. Okay, now looking at my face, my nose, my eyes, you would have realized that this is not killingly spicy. It's spicy, but it's not crazy spicy. It's good spicy.
ये हमारा सीक्रेट मसाला है, हम हमारे तरीके से बना रहे, बिकॉज हमको चैलेंज ये था कि नागपुर में ज़्यादा स्पाइसी खाते हैं, यहाँ कम स्पाइसी खाते हैं, तो हमने कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट किए और एक्सपेरिमेंट से एक मसाला बनाया जो टेस्ट भी बरकरार रख रहा है और थोड़ा स्पाइसेस भी उसका कम हो गया.
So we will try the Gauran or Gauti chicken. And now I'm going to attack the bhakri. Also, in all the food, strong presence of pepper, which is a little unusual for food from other parts of Maharashtra. अब बारी है गाउठी चिकन, मटन, मसाला और पाया की. लेकिन इससे पहले कि मैं खाऊं, आप प्लीज, आपको पता है आपको क्या करना है? आपको सब्सक्राइब करना है. यही नीचे. मैं रुकता हूं, एक ब्रेक लेता हूं. जब तक आप सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते, मैं शुरुआत नहीं करूंगा खाने की. आई विल वेट फॉर यू. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. शैल आई काउंट टू 5? 1 2 3 4. डन. लेट्स गो.
पूरे मुंबई में पाया, आपने पाया सूप या पाया और कोई स्टाइल में खाया होगा. हमारा यहाँ का साउजी पाया खा के देखिए, आप दीवाने हो जाओगे उसके.
पाया, शॉर्टर्स. Sticky, gooey, full of energy and quite delicious. Abhi chicken, Gauti chicken, Gauran chicken. The magic comes from two things. One comes from the quality of the meat that you use, and two is the spices. And one more thing, it's the love that you put in making the food, which is all what Saudi cuisine is about. It's about spices, good quality meat, and heart, and home. Because the cuisine itself emanates from the home and not from a restaurant. I think if you don't get the opportunity to go to Nagpur, you should come to Orange City, Saudi, here at Juhu, and sample some of this food. And finally, I'm attacking the mutton.
साउजी मटन सर हमारे यहाँ पे हमारा सबसे फेवरेट और सबसे फेमस डिश है. मतलब इसके लिए काफ़ी सेलिब्रिटीज़ भी साउजी मटन और गावरानी चिकन खाने आते हैं. जैसे रेमो डिसूजा सर आते हैं तो उनका फेवरेट पाया है. देन प्रतीक बब्बर सर आते हैं, वो भाकरी के साथ में मटन उनको ज़्यादा पसंद आता है. तो काफ़ी ऐसे सेलिब्रिटीज़ हैं जो आके गए हैं और जिनको अच्छा लगता है. शिवम दुबे हमारे क्रिकेटर, वो आके गए, उनको मटन काफ़ी पसंद आया.
Mutton. Fantastic. This is like transporting me to the Vidarbha area, to the Saudi region, where Nagpur is not only famous for oranges, it's famous for this cuisine. अगर आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ राइट टू अस. ऐसे ही मैं आपको अच्छे अच्छे cuisines लेकर आऊँगा. The more you subscribe, the more you comment, the more we will bring you great food from all over India and hopefully the world. Next time, I'll be back with some more food on Venkis Presents Khana number 1. See you next week. Bye.